Looking for a luxury all-inclusive escape in Los Cabos? Let me walk you through everything you need to know about the Grand Fiesta Americana Los Cabos all-inclusive golf and spa. This resort sits right on the stunning coastline of Cabo San Lucas, offering guests a blend of Mexican hospitality, modern amenities, and breathtaking ocean views. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or just need to escape the daily grind, this property promises an experience that combines relaxation with adventure. The resort has built its reputation on delivering premium all-inclusive service in one of Mexico's most sought-after destinations. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice the attention to detail that sets this place apart from your average beach resort. The property sprawls across beautifully landscaped grounds where desert meets ocean, creating that iconic Baja California scenery that people travel thousands of miles to experience. What makes this resort particularly interesting is how it manages to cater to different types of travelers without losing its identity. You've got honeymooners looking for romance, families with kids seeking fun and convenience, and golf enthusiasts ready to hit the links. The Grand Fiesta Americana attempts to be all things to all people, and for the most part it succeeds in this ambitious goal. Let's talk about where you'll actually be sleeping during your stay. The Grand Fiesta Americana Los Cabos offers a solid variety of room categories designed to accommodate different group sizes and budgets. The standard rooms here aren't your cramped hotel boxes. We're talking spacious accommodations that typically feature either one king bed or two double beds depending on your preference and availability. These rooms come equipped with modern amenities that you'd expect from a resort in this price range. You'll find air conditioning that actually works, which is crucial when you're dealing with Cabo's heat. The rooms feature contemporary Mexican design elements that remind you where you are without going overboard on the sombreros and cacti decorations. Large windows or balconies provide views of either the lush gardens, the resort grounds, or if you're lucky enough to book the right category, those spectacular ocean vistas that make Cabo famous. The bathrooms are well appointed with quality fixtures, decent water pressure, and enough counter space that you won't be fighting over territory with your travel companion. Moving up the accommodation ladder, the suites offer significantly more space and upgraded amenities. These larger units often include separate living areas, which is perfect if you're traveling with kids who go to bed earlier than you do, or if you just need some breathing room after spending all day together. The suites typically feature enhanced ocean views, premium bedding, and upgraded bathroom amenities. Some suite categories include additional perks like premium minibar items, upgraded room service options, or access to exclusive lounge areas. The resort also offers family suites specifically designed for those traveling with children. These accommodations provide the extra space and configuration needed when you're wrangling kids on vacation. For guests requiring accessible accommodations, the resort maintains rooms designed to meet accessibility standards, featuring wider doorways, roll-in showers, and other modifications to ensure all guests can enjoy their stay comfortably. All rooms come standard with flat-screen televisions, in-room safes for your valuables, coffee makers for that essential morning caffeine, and complimentary Wi-Fi so you can make everyone back home jealous with your vacation photos. The housekeeping staff does a thorough job keeping everything clean and fresh, typically servicing rooms daily with Turndown service in the evening. Now let's get to one of the most important aspects of any all-inclusive resort, the food and drink situation. The Grand Fiesta Americana Los Cabos takes its dining program seriously, offering multiple restaurants and bars spread throughout the property. You won't be eating the same buffet meal 3 times a day, which is always a relief at all-inclusive resorts. The main buffet restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a rotating selection of international dishes. This is where you'll find the most variety and the most forgiving options for picky eaters or kids who just want chicken fingers for the 3rd day in a row. The breakfast spread typically includes made-to-order omelets, fresh fruit, pastries, traditional Mexican breakfast items, and standard American options. Lunch and dinner buffets rotate through different themes and cuisines throughout the week, keeping things interesting for guests staying longer than a few days. Beyond the buffet, the resort features several specialty restaurants that require reservations. These venues offer more intimate dining experiences with table service and focused menus. You'll typically find an Italian restaurant serving pastas, pizzas, and Mediterranean-inspired dishes. There's usually a Mexican restaurant highlighting regional cuisine and traditional preparations that go well beyond the tacos and burritos most people associate with Mexican food. A steakhouse or international grill typically rounds out the options, serving quality cuts of meat and seafood in a more upscale atmosphere. Some specialty restaurants may have dress codes, so pack at least one outfit that's a step above your beach wear. The Asian fusion restaurant, if available during your stay, offers sushi, noodle dishes, and other Pan-Asian options that provide a nice change of pace from heavier Western cuisine. Regarding reservations, the front desk or concierge can help you book tables at these specialty venues. During peak season, popular restaurants fill up quickly, so make your reservations early in your stay to avoid disappointment. The bar situation is equally well developed. You'll find multiple bars scattered around the property, from swim-up pool bars where you can order drinks without leaving the water, to lobby bars perfect for evening cocktails, to beach bars where you can sip margaritas with your toes in the sand. The bartenders generally know their craft and can make both classic cocktails and resort-style frozen drinks. The all-inclusive package typically covers most standard spirits, beers, wines, and mixed drinks, though premium brands might carry an additional charge depending on your package level. Coffee and snack bars provide light bites and caffeine fixes throughout the day, which is clutch when you need a pick-me-up between meals. The pool and beach situation at this resort deserves serious discussion because this is where you'll probably spend a good chunk of your vacation time. The Grand Fiesta Americana Los Cabos features multiple swimming pools designed for different purposes and atmospheres. The main pool area is typically the social hub of the resort, featuring a large freeform pool with plenty of space for swimming, playing, or just floating around on a raft. This area usually includes a swim-up bar, which is exactly what it sounds like. You swim or wade up to a bar built right into the pool and order drinks without ever leaving the water. It's a vacation essential as far as many guests are concerned. Around the main pool, you'll find rows of loungers with palapas providing shade. Getting a good spot, especially one with shade, can be competitive during peak season, so early risers have the advantage. The resort typically provides towels at the pool area, so you don't need to bring your own from your room. There's usually a separate adults-only or quiet pool for guests who want to relax without the splash and noise of families playing Marco Polo. This area maintains a more tranquil atmosphere and often features upgraded amenities like cushioned loungers or premium service. Some pool areas include hot tubs or jacuzzis, perfect for evening relaxation after a long day of activities. Now about that beach, Cabo San Lucas is famous for its dramatic coastline, but here's something important to understand. Many beaches in Cabo, including the one at this resort, are not always swimmable due to strong currents, undertow, and rough surf conditions. The resort's beach is beautiful for sunbathing, walking, and taking incredible photos, but swimming in the ocean here can be restricted depending on conditions. The resort typically posts flags indicating when ocean swimming is safe and when it's not. Even when swimming is permitted, you need to be a confident swimmer and pay attention to warnings. This isn't like swimming in a calm Caribbean bay. The beach does offer stunning views of the famous rock formations that make Cabo's coastline so distinctive. You can walk along the sand, collect shells, or just sit and watch the waves crash against the rocks. Beach loungers and palapas are available, and beach servers can bring drinks and light snacks to your spot. The resort may offer water activities like kayaking, paddleboarding, or snorkeling when conditions permit, though these are often weather-dependent. For serious water sports enthusiasts, the resort can typically arrange activities through local operators, including fishing charters, sailing excursions, or trips to better swimming beaches nearby. When it comes to staying active during your vacation, the Grand Fiesta Americana Los Cabos provides plenty of options beyond just lounging by the pool. The fitness center offers modern cardio equipment and weight machines for guests who want to maintain their workout routine even on vacation. The facility is typically air-conditioned, which you'll appreciate when you're trying to run on a treadmill in Cabo's climate. The gym usually includes treadmills, ellipticals, stationary bikes, free weights, and various resistance machines. Hours are generally generous, often opening early for morning workout enthusiasts. The resort's golf connection is right there in the name, and golf enthusiasts will find this location appealing. While the resort itself doesn't have an on-site golf course, it offers packages and arrangements with nearby championship courses. Los Cabos is famous for its golf scene, with courses designed by legends like Jack Nicklaus and other renowned architects. These courses feature dramatic ocean views and desert landscapes that make playing here a bucket list experience for many golfers. The resort can help arrange tee times, transportation, and equipment rental if needed. Tennis courts are typically available for guests who want to hit some balls. The resort usually provides equipment if you didn't pack your racket, though bringing your own ensures you have gear you're comfortable with. Organized activities happen throughout the day and vary by season and guest interest. You might find water aerobics classes in the pool, beach volleyball games, or organized sports tournaments. The activities team works to keep guests engaged and entertained without being too pushy or annoying about it. Cultural activities sometimes include Spanish lessons, cooking demonstrations featuring Mexican cuisine, or tequila tastings that educate guests about Mexico's famous spirit. These activities provide a nice way to learn something about the local culture beyond just sitting on the beach. Evening entertainment typically includes live music, shows, or themed parties. The quality and frequency of entertainment can vary, but the resort generally provides some form of evening activity beyond just the bars and restaurants. Water sports and beach activities, when available, might include boogie boarding, snorkeling, or kayaking. Again, these are heavily dependent on ocean conditions and safety considerations. The resort prioritizes guest safety over providing activities, so some water-based options may be limited during your stay depending on when you visit. The spa at the Grand Fiesta Americana Los Cabos provides a sanctuary for guests looking to add serious relaxation and pampering to their vacation. The spa facility typically features multiple treatment rooms where licensed therapists provide various massage styles, facials, body treatments, and other wellness services. The spa menu usually includes Swedish massage, deep tissue massage, hot stone therapy, and other popular modalities. Treatments often incorporate local ingredients or Mexican wellness traditions like tequila or agave-based body scrubs, or treatments using indigenous herbs and plants. Facials range from basic cleansing treatments to more intensive anti-aging or hydrating options designed to combat the drying effects of sun and salt water. Body wraps, scrubs, and polishes help exfoliate and moisturize skin that's been exposed to the elements. Couples massage rooms allow partners to enjoy treatments together in a private setting, which is popular with honeymooners and couples celebrating special occasions. The spa typically includes amenities like steam rooms, saunas, or hydrotherapy areas where guests can relax before or after treatments. These facilities help enhance the treatment experience and provide additional wellness benefits. Some spa services are included in certain room packages or membership levels, but most treatments carry additional charges beyond the all-inclusive package. Prices are generally in line with resort spa standards, meaning they're not cheap, but the quality typically justifies the cost. Booking spa appointments in advance is highly recommended, especially during peak travel seasons when slots fill quickly. You can usually book treatments before you arrive by contacting the resort directly, or you can arrange them through the concierge once you check in. The spa staff is generally knowledgeable and can recommend treatments based on your needs and preferences. Wellness programming beyond the spa might include yoga classes, meditation sessions, or fitness classes held in scenic outdoor locations. These activities provide a holistic approach to wellness that goes beyond just massage and facials. The combination of spa treatments, fitness options, and the naturally relaxing beach environment creates a solid wellness experience for guests who prioritize self-care during their vacation. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.